Don't judge me. I love Charmed, and it's my favorite coffee mug. All right, so back at you with one more basic stitch that everybody needs to know. This stitch is used I don't want to say mostly for, but I use it for blankets. It's because it's a longer stitch. So blankets, wearables, it's another very common stitch, and that is the double crochet. The double crochet stitch. It's a great stitch for literally everything. So I'm just making a basic foundation stitch here real quick just to get going. If you don't know how to do any of the foundation stitches, go back, check the previous videos, and then come back here. All right, so I just gave myself a little starting row. So like I said, the double crochet isn't much different than the half double. It's just one extra step from the double crochet. It's very easy. So I've got my starting row here. I chained one and I turned. Now, a lot of people will tell you to chain 2 or 3 when working with double crochets at the end of your row. I personally prefer still only chaining 1. I don't like the edge that chaining 2 or 3 leaves. I don't know. I just prefer the chain 1. It leaves a nice tight edge to my projects. But find what works for you, whichever you prefer. It doesn't really make a huge difference, but it does. I don't know. I chain 1. That's what we're going with. But anyways, so you're gonna chain 1 and you're gonna turn your work. And the difference between the half double and the double is, again, 1 step. So I want you to yarn over, and you are going to insert your hook into that first stitch, and you're going to yarn over, and you're going to pull up a loop. Now this is where that difference comes in between the half double and the double crochet. The half double, you would yarn over and you would pull through all of your loops. For the double crochet, you are going to yarn over and you're going to pull through 2 loops on your hook, and then you're going to yarn over again and pull through the second 2 loops on your hook. And that's where that double comes in. As far as the name of the stitch goes, the double crochet is because it takes 2 movements or motions, or building upon that stitch it's doubled. So I hope that made sense. We'll find out. But yes, so to do a double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over again and pull through the second 2 loops on your hook. So I'm going to work a couple bit more. That's English. I'm going to work a couple more so you can see a few double crochets standing together. All right, and there we have a nice pretty row of finished double crochet stitches. It's a great stitch. Like I said, this stitch is used mostly when it comes to working blankets and wearables like the currently popular hexie cardigans and stuff like that, because it is a longer stitch. It uses more yarn, but it takes less time to build up your project, basically. So we've gone over, you've got the single crochet, the half double crochet, and now the double crochet. And like I said, these 3 stitches are the biggest, main, most used stitches across crochet, period. So now that you know these 3 stitches, you're pretty much on your way to whatever you want to do in the world of crochet. Like, you are set to just take off and run with it. We're gonna keep going from here, so make sure you subscribed and you're not missing any more of the crazy. If you've got any questions, comments, concerns, want to say hi, any of that fun stuff, leave it in the comments and I will get back to you. Other than that, have a great one, and I will catch you later. Bye!